Good morning, stars. Welcome to class, my friends. It's science time. It's our science class. Our topic today is fabric. We are studying about fabric. We are going also to study about the important properties for a fabric for a t-shirt. We also study today about how to test a material for soft, for strong, for bendy, and also for warm. So let's review what we studied before. We studied just right for the job. What do we mean by just right for the job? We try to understand different properties a material needs to have to perform its job. For example, a building material. A building material must be strong for you to use it for building a house. So we also studied that for you to use a material for window, like glass, that glass must be see-through. You also learned that for you to use a material for a mirror, that material must be what? Reflective. So, a good paper towel, for you to use a paper towel, you must make sure that that paper towel is very what? Soft. When it is very soft, it can what? Absorb water and perform its job very well. So we also studied that you cannot use a paper towel for a mirror. Why? Because it's not reflective. Neither can you use it to make a hammer. Why? Because paper towel is too soft. So it will tear what? Easily, and is not strong. So today, let's go to our topic, fabric. Every day we wear clothes. So what is fabric? You see, what I'm wearing is made of what? Fabric. So we say a fabric is a cloth made by weaving or knitting. A fabric is a cloth made by weaving or knitting. So what are they used for? What are clothes used for? We use fabrics in curtains. A lot of you have curtains in the house. We use them in making carpets, even furniture coverings. We also use them for our clothes. You can see my body. So what are the important properties a fabric for a t-shirt must have? What are those properties? Like this is a t-shirt. I'm putting on a t-shirt. What are the properties it must have? This is my t-shirt. You can see it's soft. So one of the properties a fabric for a t-shirt must have is what? It must be soft. 2. It must be hard wearing. 3. It must be strong but flexible. That is, you can cut it to sew it to your shape. Another one, it must be what? Bendy. What is bendy? You can fold it so that you can pack it well in your bag or in the cloth shapes. Now when we are testing a material, how to test a fabric? How do we test a fabric? We can test a fabric for bending. How can you test a fabric for bending? Fold the fabric to see which are what? Easy to bend. You have to fold the fabric to see which are easy to bend. For strong, pull each fabric to see how easy it is to tear. You pull it to see how easy that fabric is going to tear. For soft, how do you test a fabric for soft? Feel it by what? Feeling. And give it what? A score. Let's start from 1 to 5. For warm, how can you test a material for warm? Take the same sizes of the material and weigh them. Find the ones that are the thickest, the heaviest, and from that you will find out the one that is likely to be the what? Warmest. When you find out the one that is heaviest and the one that is thickest, from there you are likely to find out the one that is what? Warmest. So let's read through. Fabric. A fabric is by weaving or knitting. They are used for carpets, curtains, cloths, and covering for furniture. Important properties for a fabric, for a t-shirt. 1. Soft, hard wearing, strong but flexible and bending. How to test a fabric. 1. For bending, fold the fabric to see which are easy to bend. For strong, pull each fabric to see how easy it is to tear. For soft, peel the fabric and give it a score, like 1 to 5. For 1, take same size of fabric and weigh it. This will show which are the heaviest and thickest, and therefore likely to be the warmest. Okay, friends. It's good having you. Okay, go through it. It's really interesting. Good information.